All right, what's going on, guys? This is Dawes. Today we got a little how-to video right here. This is a wheel hub assembly right here for 2018 F150 with the 2.7 liter in it. This is the driver's side, right?
Yeah, driver's side.
All right, cool. And then we got a guest feature right here. It's
Marcus. This is my truck.
We got the grease already right here. And then we got a flat head, rubber mallet, pry bar, another hammer, and some extensions, bits and stuff like that, sockets, the wheel lock, of course. This is important right here, especially for these newer trucks. And then we got a torque wrench, a couple more ratchets, and then a clamp right here as well. I think that's for the caliber, right?
Yeah, caliber.
Right, cool. And then we got a little impact drill right here in Milwaukee. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We got the floor jacks and all that stuff down there ready. Now, since we removed the wheel, we got these caliber bolts down here. The 21 mil right here. All right, cool. Bent it a little bit, trying to take it out, but we'll take care of that.
And then the bolt in the middle. This should already be able to come out.
Yeah, this is 13 millimeter right here, the one that we're using to take off this center nut right here. All right, so we definitely just got this off with this rubber mallet right here. Still a little warm too, that's nice. And then these, right, this little shield, dust shield comes off.
Boom, boom, boom. An 8, I believe.
Doing it the old-fashioned way with hand tools so you guys can really see.
These you just pull out. Boom.
All right, so I think y'all saw that. Up here is just another, what is this, 8 mil, same that holds on this ABS sensor wire, and then just pop that right out of the bracket right there.
And then you got 2 other clips up here that you just pull straight out. And those parts come with the new one, so you don't have to worry if you damage that. There's a clip up here that we need to undo. Right here. It's gonna be this one. There we go. Here, I can show them what it looks like. It's gonna be like this. This one right here, the brown one.
Okay.
And then now you should be able to just pull it from the bottom. Pull it straight from the bottom. It comes out in one hole. And then now we gotta work on the 4 bolts in the back. It's gonna be this one. And then this one. And then there's 2 other ones on the other side.
Oh, I see it, yeah, right there. Technique.
Boom.
Okay.
Then I'll rotate the tire now. And the other one is, it's like tucked in, like in here. Yeah, you like only get so much playroom in there.
There we go. All right, cool. Oh, look at that, it's already coming off. If it'll focus. There we go. Look at that.
You wanna use this one, the big one?
I'm gonna just go around until it, there it goes, until it comes off, like that. There you go. There we go.
That one doesn't look too bad. You wanna see? Let me show you what the other one looked like. That one doesn't look bad at all. The other one's way worse.
This is the one that we just took off right here. There's a new one right there.
And this is the one that had the bearing failure. See, yeah, that one's way worse.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know what's all up in there.
The inside doesn't look that bad. It's just the outside ring right here.
Yeah.
All that. Huh. All right.
Time to get the new one on. Now, time to grease it up.
Look at that. Nothing but just bare hands.
Yep. You gotta get right into it, you know? Then I put some in here.
Don't need no fancy pump guns and nothing like that.
Nothing. Then give me my towel, wipe it off, and then just reverse the process.
All right, there you go.
Kind of play with it a little bit. There we go. And those bolts.
All right.
Should be long enough to.
All right, cool.
Let's get to it. I'm gonna rotate the tire. See a little better entry on it. Let's see. Come ahead. Reach across. Same way you took the bolts off. I like to get them somewhat tight before I start doing the other side. And try to sneak the other side in without moving the tire.
Just the first repair you had to do to this truck?
I know I had to do something else to it. Oh, the first repair was just the brakes. That's pretty much it.
Oh, okay.
This is like the first like actual thing that has like malfunctioned or failed on me. Except my computer, but that was me doing something I shouldn't have been doing.
How much did you save in total?
So both of these came out to about 200. Saved about 680 something. So a pretty good amount. Now I like to torque it all the way up to 150. And that's off the specs of what Ford wants. That's why you gotta get these so they don't strip out. Got your 8mm right here. So you go right back up here. I'll leave it coming up from here, drip it down to the side, and should be perfect like that. Should go right back in there. Then back to your clips, just right here, boom. Back up there. Kind of self-explanatory with these. Boom. Your last clip should be up all the way right there. And now you feed this up through here, up to the top, and back to where you unplugged it from. Okay. So I'm just gonna feed it all the way up through here. You should see it poke out through the top.
Oh, okay, I can already see your hand, yeah.
Then you just look for a brand new wire in there. It's gonna be right here. Boom, right here.
Okay.
And then you wanna come around this side?
Yeah.
You can probably see it better. And you're looking for this white plug right here.
Okay. Yeah, I see it.
And then I think I just dropped it all the way back down. Yeah, definitely did. So you push all the clips back so it's locked in place. Double check, boom, done. Now we're back down here. Okay, it's like this.
This is too bright.
Then we're gonna go get the nut for this. Cap should be good. I'm not worried about the cap. Boom. And then the cap, what's the cap is a 13mm. And it's the rotor. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, it's the cap actually.
Oh yeah, that little cap right there.
Back on. It's right back on. And now it's the rotor. brakes should just slide right back on.
Oh, you got that clamp just in case?
Yeah.
That's what, right there.
Jeez. I don't think that's gonna slide back on. So, let's take the brakes on. This is a brake and wheel bearing.
Flashlight too bright for the camera.
Really? It's exposed, too much exposure or what?
Yeah.
There it goes. Boom, boom. Slide that part right on there. Here, you can come around this side. I like to push the rotor in with my knee or something. Get in there. Line the bolts. With your 21. I like to use the little one for now, just to get them tight, and then I go back at it with the torque wrench, and then the same thing, hit it with 150. Now, it's basically just putting on brakes at this point.
Oh, you might have to press those pistons back in, huh?
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. I use this to push those pistons back in. Just grab it like this.
Really like those too much.
And then, boom, right back. Get the bolts you just took off from here. Tighten it. This one doesn't slide in, maybe. But if it doesn't slide in, just pull it. These moves a little, so just pull it back. Boom. Should be good now. And now it's the tire, the lugs. Drop it down, and then I torque it. Last one, 6, and then that's it.
All right, here we go.
And then you might have an ABS slide on for a little bit, but just run it for down the block. Come back, should be off.
All right, that was a extremely successful how-to video right there. You seen we just used all common hand tools, half-inch ratchet. I mean half-inch ratchet right here, torque wrench, rubber mallet right there, hammer. I already went over these at the beginning of the video, but you even got this factory jack right here. Didn't even have one of those 3-ton floor jacks. Knee pad right there.
Keep it simple.
And,
Keep it simple.
Nice and simple. Here's the old hubs right here. What are you gonna do with these? Just toss them out?
Trash.
'Cause I don't think you get no reimbursement for them. No. But just look at the surface right there. You can tell it's a little caked up, a little worn out. Nice and simple.
Your ride's better too.
There's your ABS sensor right here. The wires, the harness is all just one piece. Well, it's not one piece, but that's what it comes with. There's a little screw down there. You can take that off if you need to, or reuse the wire or whatever the case is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Unless that's anything. Did you want anything else?
And I got nothing now. It's all done.
It was pretty successful. And that's it.